Hello friends, in today's video we are going to see the anti-amoebic drugs classification. For this we have to remember two things. One is loo and other is tissue paper. So loo will tell us the subclass, that is the luminal amebicide drugs, and tissue will tell us the drugs, tissue amebicide drugs. So firstly, we'll focus on the luminal drugs. So in this loo, we have three types of tissue rolls or toilet paper rolls. First one is made up of antibiotics. The second or the one in the mid is the amide. In the mid is amide. And the third one is about Infinity Water Line, Queen Water Line, Infinity Water Queen Line. So the first antibiotic is this antibiotic tissue paper. This antibiotic toilet roll is manufactured by two companies, and one of the company is owned by Paro's mom, and the other company is the Tetracycle, similar to the Cycle Agarbatti, Tetracycle toilet rolls. So the drugs are under antibiotic are Paro's mom is paromomycin and Tetracycle is tetracycline. The toilet rolls in the middle are manufactured by Neeta's Box, a company named Neeta's Box, and the other company is Dilojan Furre. They are making tissue rolls as Furre. फर्रे यानी जो पेपर हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, फर्रे बना रहे हैं चीटिंग पेपर्स, उस काइंड के लिए फर्रे. सो नीता बॉक्स इज amide will give us the suffix anide. So Neeta box is Neetazoxanide and Dilojan Furre is Dilozenide. Jan or Jan is Zan. Dilozenide and Furre is furoate. So the drugs are these. Then the third class is the hydroxy infinity. This infinity is 8. Infinity signifies 8. This tap of water signifies hydroxy. This crown signifies queen, and this is the line. So the class is the 8-hydroxyquinoline. 8-hydroxyquinoline. So the 8-hydroxyquinoline drugs are all about IC. Instead of IC, it's I and letter C. So I signifies iodoform, iodo, and C is chloro. I is iodo and C is chloro. So the drugs are iodochlorohydroxyquine, pani ki rani, or diiodohydroxyquine. So the drugs are iodochlorohydroxyquine and diiodohydroxyquine. So these are the luminal amebicide drugs. Now comes the tissue amebicide drugs. Under the tissue one, we have two types of tissues, two types of tissue papers. One is an extra interesting tissue papers and other is the interesting plus the extra interesting tissue papers. So the extra interesting tissue paper or the extra intestinal amebicide drugs used for extra intestinal amebiasis are extra interesting means it's all about color queen. So the extra interesting tissue papers are supplied to color queen. So color queen will give us the drug chloroquine. Then the interesting plus the extra interesting are for the common man. And why it's called as interesting? Because there's a story about it on one of the papers there's a story. The story is about a night where people are wearing imitation jewelry which is dazzling. So the class is nitroimidazole. So nitro imitation jewelry is nitroimidazole. Dazzle is dissolve. Nitroimidazole. So dissolve will be the suffix for all the drugs. On this tissue paper, the story is about khatra. Satra khatra. Satra. So satra word is used for khatra. It's about ornaments. It's a khatra story. In this story, people wear tiny ornaments to feel secure in a metro train. So metro will give us the drug metronidazole. Secure is secnidazole. Tiny ornaments is tinidazole. Ornaments is ornidazole, and satra khatra is satranidazole. So these are the drugs under nitroimidazole. Then another story on the tissue paper is about Alka. Alka spends a lot of me time. E is email or internet. So me time, and because of that she is drinking less water. So the drugs are me time is emetine, and dehydro, she is not focusing on water, drinking water, so this is causing dehydration. So dehydroemetine. So these are the tissue amibicide drugs. Okay friends, thank you for watching.